Did you spin around? Oh, yeah, good job.
Spin around your guitar. Good job. Yeah. Woo, good job. Excellent.
Are you okay?
We gotta make it so the music comes on his thing again. So he'll rock out. So cute.
Take this one and pull it up. Here, now take this one and put it down. There you go. Hey, start the music again.
Then you can play along with your guitar, but start the music for Jackson, please.
Push the green button. There you go.
Jackson, no screaming. Are you dancing, Bubby? Jackson, are you dancing? No? You're not? No. Oh. Jazzy's dancing. Oh, yeah. Nice. Oh, Wipeout. You alright?
Yes.
Okay.
Bum.
You hurt your bum? Oh. Is it okay?
Yes.
Some naked guitar playing at its best. Nice, Jazzy. You're rocking out, huh, Bubby? There's Jackson. Jackson playing the keyboard. Oh, we gotta take a break. He's thirsty. Oh, maybe not.
No, it doesn't get green. That's hot.
You're hot? You need to take a drink because you're hot?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Alright. Mommy's gonna turn it off now. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say love you.
Bye.
I love you so much.
Bye so much.
Jackson. Say bye-bye. Jackson, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. He says, no, I can't say it. He does too, say it. Okay, turn it off for a second. Turn it off. Jackson, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.